Okay, so what I'm going to show you how to do is to attach your learning plans to your Seesaw announcements should you decide to go that route. So the biggest hiccup is that all of our virtual learning plans are stored in a shared drive. And unfortunately, the shared drive is not accessible on our Seesaw. So what you first need to do is you need to make a copy of your virtual learning plan that can go into your drive. And then once it's in your drive, you can attach it to your Seesaw. So the way you would do that is you go into your virtual learning days folder. I'm going to use 4K as an example. Say week of April 6th. And I'm going to grab the learning plan for Thursday, April 9th. I'm going to open that up. And remember, this is all shared in the Accouncement shared drive. So what I would do is go into File, make a copy. And you can keep it as copy of Thursday, that doesn't really matter. The thing is you're going to want to change the folder that it's in. And you're going to want to use this arrow and keep backing up until you find My Drive. When you find My Drive, then you're going to click OK. The other suggestion I would have is when you're in this My Drive, you also could create a new folder. It's kind of hiding right here, but in the bottom left corner, you could create a new folder and you could just put learning plans. Again, this is just more of a temporary place where you're storing that. So in learning plans, I'm now going to move it there and I'm going to hit OK. Again, I'm moving it from my shared drive in Accouncement into my own personal drive. So now I have copy of Thursday, April 9th. I don't really need this open here. In fact, it's kind of going to confuse me. So I'm going to close that. And I'm going to close my other learning plan. Now I'm ready to go into Seesaw. So I'm going to go into my Seesaw tab. And I'm going to get out of this so that you can see it from the very beginning. But I'm in my main teacher page. And what I want to do is send an announcement. So you would click send an announcement. Send to all students, all family members. I would suggest all students and family members. So if a child is at daycare and the parent isn't nearby, the student could actually pull it up, or an adult could help them pull it up in their own inbox in Seesaw. So I would click all students and family members. You might say learning plan for Thursday, 4/9. Add an attachment. You're going to upload. And when you're uploading, unfortunately, you can't see this because my taskbar is open, but your two options are on the left side is from a computer, or on the right side is from Google Drive. Now remember, we just moved it to Google Drive, so we're going to click on that, and it pulls up your Google Drive. Now, I just created that learning plans folder, and here was that copy of Thursday. I'm going to just click it on there. And I'm going to click the check box. You then can send now. Now, the reason I'm getting access disabled is because I don't have a real account, but normally that would just send from there. All right, that is how you would make those attachments. Good luck.